Hi, this is Victoria from crushcrypto.com. In this video, I will be covering a blockchain project called Lightstreams. As always, we are not paid or mandated to do any of our reviews. This is just a personal opinion and analysis for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Please always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Lightstreams is a blockchain network that aims to support any decentralized application that requires high performance and data privacy. It is a modification of the Ethereum protocol, attempting to solve some of its current issues while remaining compatible with the existing Ethereum developer tools and libraries. Lightstreams will create a permissioned decentralized storage system integrated into a blockchain network. Their goal is to provide uncapped storage capacity, zero storage costs, improve transaction speeds, and allow for the management of data privacy and confidentiality. Lightstreams has developed an authorization protocol called permissioned blocks designed to manage access to protected content in decentralized network. Here is a diagram showing how the permissioned blocks protocol works. Accessing data requires both authentication and authorization. Authentication is achieved when a requester sends a digital signature from a blockchain account to prove the authenticity of his message. Authorization occurs by verifying that the requester is permitted to access the address of the protected file. This slide summarizes the project's historical milestones and future development roadmap. The Lightstreams idea was conceptualized in 2017, and the project currently operates out of Estonia. The proof of concept for the permissioned blocks technology was one of the winners at the Consensus 2017 hackathon. The project received $300,000 in funding in a seed round back in January of 2018. In the third quarter of this year, the team plans to launch their network infrastructure. In the fourth quarter, they will enable decentralized governance where token holders can decide policies. Lightstreams will be raising funds by issuing PHT tokens. The hard cap is $20 million and the conversion rate is 15 cents per token. The fully diluted market cap is $36 million. The token sale will start on May 31st and last for around a month. More details on the ICO, including the bonus structure, token distribution, and so on, will be provided later. This chart shows how the total supply of PHT tokens will be distributed, and this chart shows the intended use of proceeds. For the most up-to-date information on the ICO, please visit their website and join their Telegram group. The Lightstreams network will be an independent Ethereum-compliant blockchain. As a result, it will operate with its own native token called the Photon token, or PHT for short. These tokens will be used for sending tokens, storing files and other network functions, purchasing content, and voting on proposals and new authority nodes. Dapps building on top of the Lightstreams network will be able to issue their own tokens using ERC20 or similar contracts. And similar to Ethereum, the value of the PHT token will depend on the network's level of adoption and usage. Lightstreams currently has a team of at least 6 people. The biographies of the key team members are summarized here on the slide. Advisors for the project include the head of organizational solutions at Trivago, the co-founder of Ocean Protocol, and others. Here are some of the thoughts on the project's opportunities. Lightstreams aims to have the capability for permissioning access to protected content, which is very useful for sharing copyrighted content. If the project gains traction and becomes successful, the upside potential could be substantial. As Lightstreams is a fork of Ethereum, they essentially share the same code base. It should be easy for Ethereum dApps to be ported over to Lightstreams if they choose to do so. Here are some of our concerns. First of all, the project was actually suspended for a few months. So far, there is no further development progress shown on GitHub after the white paper was completed. In terms of scalability, it seems to us that Lightstreams is simply taking Ethereum and changing the consensus mechanism to proof of authority. By doing so, the platform is sacrificing decentralization by having fewer nodes in exchange for higher scalability. The project is designed for decentralized applications that require speed and privacy. However, it does not seem like much effort has been made so far to attract dApps to be built on the Lightstreams platform. In addition, the future development roadmap is quite vague and there are no milestones provided for 2019 and beyond. Because of this, it is hard to assess the team's level of planning and whether they can execute on a timely basis. From an investment perspective, our view on this ICO for flipping depends on a few factors. At $20 million, Lightstreams has a relatively low hard cap for a blockchain protocol project, especially considering that the project has pretty high market awareness. However, the team has not yet decided whether they will issue a placeholder ERC20 token or distribute tokens directly once the mainnet is launched. If the team chooses the first option, we would be positive about the flipping potential. If they go for the second option, there will be a time lag of a few months and we would have a neutral view on this ICO for flipping. For long-term holding, we have a neutral view. The idea behind the project was conceived and developed more than a year ago during last year's consensus hackathon. However, the team suspended project development and waited a year before deciding to conduct an ICO to continue the project. In our view, this does not speak well to the team's enthusiasm or commitment to the project. For this reason, we currently have a neutral view on the long-term potential for this project. Thank you very much for watching our video on Lightstreams. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or follow us on Twitter and Facebook to get our latest updates. We publish new content on various projects and cryptocurrencies on a regular basis. Hope you have a great day and keep crushing it.